In this video I am going to share with you the easiest and the simplest way to make money online with Chatgpt and Canva. I will design a wall art print using these tools, and the best part is it's completely free to start. Go to Etsy. It's a huge marketplace where we will explore wall art inspiration. Here you can find home decor wall art, office decor wall art, inspirational and self-motivational wall art, positive affirmation wall art, etc. This shop has made over 51,000 sales and has a huge collection of wall art prints of every type. To create a similar wall art, first go to Chatgpt to find some ideas. Write positive affirmation quotes. As a result, it generated a list of quotes to use in the design. Then go to Canva. It's an online tool for designing, and you can easily use its templates in your design projects. I am creating a design from scratch. I selected A4 size for my wall art print. Now copy the quote from Chatgpt and paste it into the Canva template. Try different fonts and choose the one that looks best. Increase the font size and align it to the center. I want a watercolor type wall art with a quote on it. So I use this watercolor art in my design. Make the adjustments. Now the wall art is ready. Download it as a PNG. Now I will create a mock-up image for this wall art. Again, I will use Canva to search the mock-ups. I think this mock-up looks good, so let's use this one. Open the template and upload your image. Now use this image in the mock-up and make adjustments. Our mock-up is ready. You can use this mock-up to upload in your shop. So it was a complete step-by-step process to create wall art print using Chatgpt and Canva. See you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.